Why use JavaScript for games? Web-based, JavaScript runs in the browser, making games accessible instantly. Syntax and variables. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. Let player name equals hero. Const max health equals 100. Functions. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. Function attack, damage, console, log, player attacks 4 plus damage. Conditionals loops. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. If, health equals 0. Console, log, game over. 4, let I equals 0. I5, I++, console, log, enemy appears. DOM manipulation, for UI elements. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. Document, query selector, hashtag start button. Add event listener, click. Start game. Stage 2, HTML5 canvas game graphics animation. The canvas is where all the game magic happens. Setting up the canvas. HTML. / game objects. Const paddle width equals 10. Paddle height equals 100. Let player Y equals canvas. Height /2 paddle height /2. Let AIY equals canvas. Height /2 paddle height /2. Const ball size equals 10. Let ball X equals canvas. Width /2. Let bally equals canvas. Height /2. Let ball speed X equals 4. Let ball speed Y equals 4. / player controls. Let up pressed equals false. Let down pressed equals false. / listen for key events. Window. Add event listener, key down. E equals, if E. Key equals arrow up pressed equals true. If E. Key equals arrow down pressed equals true. Window. Add event listener, key up. E equals, if E. Key equals arrow up pressed equals false. If E. Key equals arrow down pressed equals false. 3. Draw the game objects. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. Function direct X, Y, W, H. Color. CTX. Fill style equals color. CTX. Fill rect X, Y, W, H. Function drawball X, Y. Size. Color. CTX. Fill style equals color. CTX. Begin path. CTX. Arc X, Y. Size. 0. Math. Pi * 2. CTX. Fill. Function drawNet. 4. Let I equals 0. I canvas. Height. I plus equals 30. Direct. Canvas. Width /2 to 1. I. 2, 20. White. 4. Update game logic. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. Function update. / ball movement. Ball X plus equals ball speed X. Bally plus equals ball speed Y. / bounce off top and bottom. If, bally plus ball size canvas. Height, bally ball size 0. Ball speed Y * equals -1. / AI paddle follows ball. If AIY plus paddle height /2 bally. AIY plus equals 6. Else, AIY dash equals 6. / player paddle movement. If, up pressed player Y 0. Player Y dash equals 6. If, down pressed player Y plus paddle height canvas. Height, player Y plus equals 6. / ball collision with paddles. If, ball X ball size paddle width. If, bally player Y plus paddle height. Ball speed X * equals -1. Else, reset ball. If, ball X plus ball size canvas. Width paddle width. If, bally AIY plus paddle height. Ball speed X * equals -1. Else, reset ball. / reset ball when missed. Function reset ball. Ball X equals canvas. Width /2. Bally equals canvas. Height /2. Ball speed X * equals -1. 5. Render everything. JavaScript. Sa chep ma. Function draw. / clear canvas. CTX. Clear rect. 0, 0. Canvas. Width. Canvas. Height. // draw game elements. Drawnet. Direct, 0. Player Y. Paddle width. Paddle height. White. // player paddle. Direct, canvas. Width, paddle width. AI Y. Paddle width. Paddle height. White. // AI paddle. Draw ball, ball X. Bally. Ball size. White. 6. Game loop. JavaScript. Saw chep ma. Function game loop. Update. Draw. Request animation frame. Game loop. Game loop. How it works. Ball movement. The ball bounces off the top/bottom walls. Paddle control. The player moves the paddle using arrow keys. AI paddle. The AI paddle tracks the ball. Scoring. If the ball misses a paddle, it resets to the center. Next steps. Add scoring system. Increase ball speed over time. Add sound effects. Enhance AI. Make it slower or less precise. Saw chep ma. Canvas ID equals game canvas width equals 800 height equals 600/canvas. Script. Const canvas equals document. Get element by ID, game canvas. Const ctx equals canvas. Get context, 2D. /script. Drawing shapes. JavaScript. Saw chep ma. CTX. Fill style equals red. CTX. Fill rect, 20, 20, 50, 50. // draw a red square. Animating the square, game loop. JavaScript. Saw chep ma. Let x equals 0. Function game loop. CTX. Clear rect, 0, 0. Canvas. Width. Canvas. Height. // clear the canvas. CTX. Fill rect, x. 100, 50, 50. // redraw at new position. X plus equals 2. // move square right. Request animation frame, game loop. // loop the animation. Game loop. Stage 3, build a simple game, Pong clone. Let's create a basic Pong game step by step. Would you like me to walk you through this in detail? Or would you prefer to try a simpler project first, like a bouncing ball or a platformer? Versatile, can create both 2D and 3D games.